Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup and skincare haul of quite a few things that I've kind of been stockpiling recently, and a couple of PR things that I've been sent as well. Pretty much everything that I'm going to show you guys today I actually managed to get on sale. Well, most of the things, not everything. And I don't generally tend to buy things all at once. These are things that I've bought basically over the past couple of weeks. So I thought I'd show you the PR stuff first, just because it's always fun. So Foreo, and I am an affiliate of Foreo's. If you guys have seen my video of how to get glowing skin in under 2 minutes, it's where I did a review of the UFO 2, which is a smart masking device. And I'd actually run out of all of my masks, so they very kindly sent me a whole load of new ones and some ones that I've never tried before. So the ones that I have tried before, which they basically just reloaded me on, was the Shimmer Freak Illuminating Eye Perfector. This is a sheet mask for your under eye area and over eye area. Helps with dark circles, that sort of thing. This one here called Call It a Night, which is a revitalizing and nourishing mask. It contains ginseng and olive oil. It's great to use at night time. And then this one, which is more for the daytime, is called Make My Day, and it contains hyaluronic acid and red algae, and it's a hydrating and anti-pollution mask. And then the ones that I've never tried before that I'm really excited to try, this one here, which is called Glow Addict, which says that it's pearl infused and it's for enhanced brightening. Then this one here called H2 Overdose, which is again hyaluronic acid infused, so it's a hydrating mask. Then this one here called Youth Junkie, which is collagen infused intensive renewal. I would assume that's to do with making your skin more youthful, hence the name Youth Junkie. And then this one here called Matte Maniac, which is charcoal infused, extra purifying, and I would assume that this is more to do with people who've got problematic skin and oily skin, and therefore that's why it's called Matte Maniac. So I'm really excited to get these and I can't wait to use them. I probably will do another video at some point soon showing some of the newer masks, just so that you guys can see what they're like and what my thoughts are. Another brand that I'm an affiliate of is Beautylish, specifically Good Molecules. Beautylish is a US based retailer of skincare and makeup, and they carry the Good Molecules brand. Good Molecules is basically the Americanized version of The Ordinary. Almost everything is the same, from the price point to the style of the packaging, etc. You can't buy this in the UK unless you buy it direct from Beautylish. So every now and then they send me their latest product, and this one here is called their Discolouration Correcting Serum. And this one is a very unique and new kind of product in terms of the ingredients. It says that it's formulated with cetyl tranexamate mesylate to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. It says that it's the first of its kind anti-aging depigmentation active to help achieve naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic acid into the deep layers of the skin. So, and they've got all the ingredients listed here. They've even got the percentage written, which is almost unheard of. If you guys have followed me for a while and my discussions about skincare, you'll know that when ingredients are written on the back, from top to bottom, they are written in terms of the amount that is within it. For example, if the first ingredient is aqua, it means that there is loads of water in it. If aqua is at the bottom, it means there isn't that much. And on here, they've actually listed out the percentage of everything. So they've written water, 77%, glycerin, 5%, niacinamide, 4%, which is great because it's almost unheard of. You never get the actual percentage breakdown. So I do love Good Molecules as a brand. I think personally they're an excellent skincare brand, very affordable. All right, so another one that I've got, which you guys have seen my review on already, is the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. It's actually what I'm wearing again today. Love this, 10 out of 10, excellent quality. Not a single shade in here I hate. It's amazing. For those of you that have not followed me for that long, you'll maybe not be aware that I actually suffer from eczema, and I have done since I was 7 years old, and the eczema has always been located on my face. I mean, I'd be quite happy if I got eczema on like my leg or my arm, but no, it always has to be on my face where everyone can see. It's so annoying. And I have been suffering from the past year for eczema on my chin and the side of my nose. It actually flared up when I was in Canada towards the end of last year. I thought it was an allergic reaction because it looked different than it normally does. It was red, whereas normally when I get eczema it's just dry. and I've tried so many different things. I'm still using my hydrocortisone cream, which kind of helps, but I wanted to see if I could use something a little bit more natural. Then I came across this brand here called Balmonds, and apparently it's a fairly well-known brand. I got mine from Amazon, and this is their Skin Salvation. It's 100% natural. Like I said, I wanted to try a natural product and one that had been tried and tested on loads of people. And what they actually say is that it is an intensive ointment to nourish, protect and moisturize dry skin, also suitable for people who may be prone to eczema. I used this. The first time I used it, my skin started to burn, and I was like, that's not normal. I know skin can be cracked and stuff, but generally, even though I suffer from eczema, my skin is very, very moisturized. So I don't generally tend to get like sores and like weeping skin and that sort of thing. So it started to burn, and I was like, that doesn't seem right. There's me looking at the ingredients. There is, what is it? Fruit oil, beeswax, seed oil, cannabis sativa, seed oil, aqua, and alcohol from tinctures. I don't know what that means. Flower extract, chamomile extract, chickweed extract. I don't know what it is, but one of the ingredients in here just does not agree with my skin. Now, the following day when I woke up, I had little spots on my face. My eczema had flared up even more, and I was like, let me just give this one more go just in case. And no, it did exactly the same thing. So unfortunately, this is a big no-no for me, which is unfortunate because from all the reviews that I read, people that had really severe eczema, this worked amazingly for them, but unfortunately not for me. So I'm just going to use it on the rest of my body just as like a moisturizer. But I'm really glad that I bought the small one. More skincare that I've got to show you guys. In case you haven't noticed recently, at least over the past year or so, I've been skincare crazy. I actually spend more money on skincare than makeup. And I have to say to you guys, you should be the same. Why is that? Because let's be honest, if your skin looks crap, who cares what makeup you're wearing on top? I mean, your skin's going to look awful either way. So it's very important to get your base right before you get your makeup right. Anyway, so I got these 3 items from Fresh Cosmetics from Harrods. Harrods was doing a huge sale on loads of makeup and skincare. Fresh is generally a pretty expensive brand, but all 3 of these things were on offer. So first off, I bought the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I don't know if you guys remember when I went to Korea, I was on my way back to the UK. I had some leftover one and I didn't have anything to spend it on, so I actually spent it on this in duty free. So it's not that I've never used this before. I absolutely love it. It's an excellent toner, contains no alcohol in here, so it doesn't burn my skin. It's a very moisturizing and hydrating toner, which I like. Some toners can actually kind of dry out your skin and make it feel really tight. This doesn't do that. And yes, those are rose petals in here, which look lovely and cute and everything until it goes gungy at the end. But I really love this. So for me to get the largest size on offer, I obviously had to go for it. This is 250 ml. Then they recently added to their rose range and they released the Rose Deep Hydration Oil-Infused Serum. I've not actually used this yet, so I haven't got an opinion on it. This is what it looks like. You can see it's kind of separated there, so you have to kind of mix it, I believe. And it says on here, this lightweight treatment strikes the perfect balance between water and oil to deliver deep hydration and nourishment for skin that instantly looks dewy, soft and plumped with moisture. We've created this silky bi-phase serum to nourish like a facial oil with a water-like texture that absorbs effortlessly into the skin. So oh, and it's in a glass bottle. So is the other one. Not surprised seeing as how much they cost, but I'll be looking forward to using that. And then the third thing that I got from them was also their Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. And it is split into 2. Again, I've not used it yet. I can't even open it because it's closed. It basically has 2 sections in it. It looks like this. It has 2 sections in it. Sorry, the reason I'm not opening it is because as soon as you open a skincare product, that's it. The countdown is on to use it. And if I'm using other skincare products at the moment, I don't want to open something and let the air get into it. It says Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask instantly drenches skin with moisture lost throughout the day and locks it in overnight. For a look that's refreshed, plump and dewy in the morning with its replenish and lock process. This all-in-one treatment deeply hydrates and simplifies your skincare routine to prevent a dry, dull complexion, so you wake up looking like you've had a full night's rest. So it has the replenish side, which skins moisture with a cooling gel essence packed with rose water to help comfort, rosa damomela flower extract to help smooth, and hyaluronic acid to help enhance suppleness with a plumping effect. Then the lock side, which says lock in hydration with a silky water cream mask powered by time release liquid patches and evening primrose root extract. So again, I'll be looking forward to using this. If you want, you guys, I can do a full skincare routine using fresh products because I've got quite a few of them, and then I can give you my thoughts on each individual one. Let me know below. Right, let's now move on to makeup because you guys are probably like, where's all the makeup? You guys, I did something naughty. That's full of lipsticks. The girl has a problem. Well, let me, I actually don't even know how many are in here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 lipsticks of the same kind. And these are the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Inks. You guys, these are probably one of my favorite drugstore liquid lipstick brands. And the thing is, if you've seen my video that I've done a review of these in the past, I think I swatched about 8 on my lips. Quite a few of them eventually went off because they were quite old, dried out, etc. And I only had a couple, and I really wanted to invest in more of this range. I really love the way that they sit on the lips. I'm actually wearing one of them right now. I'm wearing this shade here called Inspira 125. So the thing that I like about these is that they never completely dry. They're always slightly tacky, therefore they don't settle within the lines of your lips. They look glossy, they last all day, they're amazing. I absolutely love them. Superdrug was doing an offer that if you buy 2 for £12, making them £6 each, whereas normally they're about £9.99. So I'm just going to quickly run through all of them. So the first one is Inspira, which is the one I'm wearing right now. This one here is called Self Starter. It's a beautiful deep peachy color. I know this as I had it in my previous video. This one here is called Seductress number 65. Not used this before. This one is number 70 Amazonian, the perfect deep brown nude for brown skin. Love this, had this before. This bright fuchsia kind of pink is called Romantic number 30. Not sure about this color, but we'll see. This one here is called Pathfinder number 150, a beautiful deepish looking pink. Not used that before. This one is called 170 Initiator. Not used this one before. This one is called Front Runner 145. Not used this one before. This one is called Lover number 15. One of my favorite pink lipsticks. I've had this before. This one is called Pioneer number 20. Probably one of my favorite red liquid lipsticks. I've had this before. It's like the perfect red for medium skin tones. Really stands out. This one is called Voyager number 50. Not tried this before. This one is called Ruler number 8. I've tried this one before. Another beautiful pink for medium skin tones. This one is called Savant number 115. I've not tried this one before. And then the last one is called Fighter number 75. Again, I've not tried this one before. So I've got a lot to go through, you guys. My SPF, which I use quite a lot, and is probably my favourite one at the moment, more so because it's quite affordable as well. I really want to try the Dermalogica one, but it costs like 60 quid, man. Don't know if I can justify it. Anyway, this is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 Plus SPF 50. I love this. Use this all the time. This one seems to be a small one. I thought I'd ordered a larger one, but clearly not. But anyway, the reason why I love this a lot is because I am slightly allergic to the sun. I know that sounds really weird. It doesn't mean like as soon as I go outside I'm going to burst into flames like a vampire. It just basically means that if I'm in the sun for too long, I will come up in little bumps. This is something that happened to me 2 years ago. It's not happened since. But this one is for people who've got very sensitive skin and also suffer from allergies as a result of the sun. So it's something that quite a lot of people will like. Also, it's great for people who've got medium and deep toned skin because it does not leave a white cast, sinks beautifully into the skin. So this was a repurchase. Another repurchase was my Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat, as my one's run out. Not that I'm wearing anything on my nails, but you know, for the future. Oh, my Dior Lip Glow, you guys. This is what Huda Beauty wished her lip balm was. This one is in the shade 001 Pink. It's like the original one. I've not used it yet. Absolutely love it. Oh, love it. Look. Oh, there you go. See, this is what it looks like. But it's pretty much clear when you apply it to the lips, but it's got a slight pink tinge. And yes, it does work with all skin tones, despite the fact that it's clear, because what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to enhance your natural lip color. So my top lip is kind of purpley and my bottom lip is purpley but pink in the middle. So all it does is make my bottom lip look more pink and my top lip look less purple and a bit more pink, if that makes sense. So an amazing lip balm, very pricey, but for me it's totally worth it. This is probably like my 10th I've bought like in my lifetime. Other repurchase was my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. If you guys know, this is my holy grail and it finished a while ago and I've just repurchased it. in almost all of my favorites videos, so check them out. I love it. Another one that I bought was this by NYX Cosmetics. It's called their Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I use this every day to set my eyebrows. It's affordable and it does the job. That's all I need. I bought this from House of Lashes, and I bought this from the brand called False Eyelashes in the UK. They've got very, very fast shipping and delivery. I got this within 24 hours almost. This is the eyelash adhesive in dark. It's also latex free. If you guys know, I am allergic to latex lash glues. I became allergic about a year ago. This is also made in Korea, it says. And what I love about this is that it dries almost instantly. You literally put it onto your lash band, plop it on, and it's stuck. Another lash glue that I like, I got this from Amazon because I couldn't find any other UK stockists that sold it. It is the Revlon Precision Dark Lash Adhesive. Again, this is one that dries very, very quickly, but it's an excellent eyelash glue and also contains no latex. Got a couple of samples. This Glam Glow Gravity Mud, Strivectin Intense Eye Concentrate for Wrinkles. I don't have any wrinkles yet, touch wood, thank God. And then there is a brand which I tend to buy quite a lot of my K-beauty from, my K-skincare, Korean skincare. And it's a brand called Pure Soul, and they're based in the UK. And I actually bought from the brand Innisfree, which is one of my favorite Korean skincare brands. This is the Jeju Volcanic Color Clay masks. I bought 3 of them. There is actually a very large range of them, and they're called color clay masks because they are various different colors and they all do different things. So this is for multi-masking, and I'm probably going to do a video about multi-masking soon, but in a nutshell, it's basically applying a mask which does a specific thing just for a specific area on your face. For example, we have the habit of when we have a mask, we apply it all over our face, even though the problems we only have are in like on our cheeks. So if you've got spots on your cheeks, why are you putting the mask on your forehead? That sort of thing. So the ones that I got was this black one, which is for purifying, this bright one here, which is for brightening your skin, obviously, then a hydrating one, which is for hydrating your skin. This is blue, and then this one is yellow. And then they gave me a Etude House snail sheet mask, and they also gave me this all green, all clean green foam from the brand called Heimish. I don't know who they are. Okay, so that's it for my makeup and skincare haul. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've got any comments or questions about any of these products, feel free to ask me below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, I hope you guys are amazing. I hope that you're healthy. I hope that you're happy, and I hope that you are at peace. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.